Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to our channel. Today's our topic is trigonometry exercise number 1.1. In this first question, in a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the sides of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find out sin A, cos A and tan A. That is the question. Now, so what are given in this? One right angle triangle ABC. In these sides of the right angle triangle are given. Use those sides and you have to find out sin A, cos A and tan A. Now, this is a word problem. For those all word problems, you have to write down the given data. So, in the solution, first write the given data. Given data is nothing but given information. Whatever the information is given in the question and what are the given values, those are all you have to mention. So, given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and the lengths of AB, BC and CA are 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters respectively. Just you have to write down here. Later draw the right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. In this you have to represent the vertices ABC. Where you have to represent, first you have to find out among the given sides, 1, 2, 3 sides, which is the highest value? Third one. That 17 centimeters is the highest value. That means that is the longest side value. What is the longest side in the right angle triangle? This is a hypotenuse. That a hypotenuse slant line. We call it as hypotenuse. This is a 17 centimeter. This value is 17 centimeters. For this hypotenuse, which is the opposite vertex, that is a right angle. So first you have to represent here. What is the third side here? 17 centimeters value. Which side value? Third one is CA. So you have to represent CA. And the remaining letter is A. C already we mentioned. And the third one is B. That means the right angle at which letter? B letter. So here you have to represent this is the right angle. Now here first you have to mention like this and later what you have to find out? Sin A, cos A and tan A. That means here reference angle is A. Here A is a reference angle. Just mark that angle symbol. To this angle representation, that means the reference of angle A, which is the opposite side, that you have to represent here. BC is the opposite side. This is the opposite side. That means BC is the opposite side. With the reference angle only you have to represent opposite side. So A is the reference, BC is the opposite side. So this is the opposite side and remaining one is, third one is adjacent side. And values also you have to represent. Where AB equal how much? First one AB equal to 8 centimeters. And BC equal to second one, that value equal to 15 centimeters. Just you represent here. So now we mentioned already the all values on the right angle triangle. Use those sides. You have to find out the given 3 trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. What are those? Here sin A. First one is sin A. Where sin equal to, where sin A or sin theta equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. You represent here opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side here? BC. BC is the opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? 17 centimeter. Longest side is the hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. Here BC by AC. Now, where BC equal how much value? Substitute the value 15 centimeters by AC. Where AC equal how much value? 17 centimeters. Just you represent. Or 15 by centimeters and centimeters will be cancelled. So directly 15 by 17 you have to represent. Next cos A. Cos A equal to, what's the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. First you write the formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now write the side names. What are the names of the sides here? Adjacent side is BA or AB. by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse. Where AB adjacent side, AB value equal to how much? 8 by AC equal to 17. 8 by 17. Next third one is tan A. Where tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side here? BC is the opposite side by adjacent side. What is adjacent side here? AB is the adjacent side. Where BC equal to how much? 15 by AB equal to 8 centimeters. This is the answer. So first you write the given data. Later first draw the right angle triangle. On this right angle triangle you have to represent the values of the sides, and later whatever the values you have to find out, those you have to find out by using the trigonometric functions. So this is the solution. Next second question is, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ equal to 7 centimeters, PR equal to 25 centimeters and angle Q equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. That's the question. So what is given? First we have to write down. This is a right angle triangle PQR. In this right angle triangle PQR, two sides are given. Those two are PQ and PR. Two sides are given and angle Q equal to 90 degrees. That means in this right angle triangle, right angle is at which letter? Q. Just you have to represent here Q. This is right angle. So P, Q and R. Just you have to represent the vertices or letters, alphabets here. So in this right angle triangle, two sides are given where PQ equal to 7 centimeters. This is PQ. This value equal to 7 centimeters and PR equal to 25 centimeters. Now find here, you have to find out tan P minus tan R. Here one time you have to represent the reference P and second time you have to take it as R as a reference. Then you have to find out tan P minus tan R. Tan P and tan R individually you have to find out, later you have to subtract. So how can you find it? First write down the given data. Given that, what is given? Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at which letter? Angle Q equal to 90 degrees and PQ equal to 7 centimeters and PR equal to PR equal to 25 centimeters. Those two sides are given. Just you have to represent. Now here you have to find out tan P and tan R. That means in this right angle triangle, here we know only the two sides. Third side value we don't know. First you have to find out the third side. If you find out the third side, or if you know the third side, later only you can find out easily tan P and tan R. So for finding the side value, we have only one method, one procedure is there. That is to find the side value, you have to use that Pythagoras theorem only. That Pythagoras theorem is related to the sides of the right angle triangle. Any one of the side you have to find out means always you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, or according to the Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. But in CBSE syllabus, they call it as this one is a perpendicular P. This is a perpendicular line and this is the baseline. So P square plus B square, like that also you can learn. Anyone you can write. So here I mentioned opposite side. This is the opposite side. Here I am taking P as a reference. Then this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. This slant line or longest side, always we call it as hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse square equal to, here opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Here we don't know the opposite side, we have to find out that opposite side. So first you write down the formula or directly you can substitute the values in the formula. Then also you can find out opposite side. Otherwise directly you can write the formula. Opposite side square equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. This plus goes to other side. It will become minus. So h square minus adjacent side square. Then opposite side equal to square root of square goes to other side. It will become square root. So h square minus adjacent side square. Where h is nothing but a hypotenuse. What is h value here? 25 square root of 25 square minus, substitute the values instead of this one. Adjacent side square, where adjacent side equal to how much? 7. That means 7 square. So that equal to, here you can simplify here. So 25 square is nothing but 625 minus 7 square equal to 49. That equal to, if you subtract this one directly, you can subtract from, this is the unit digit value, 5 minus 9. Is it not? This is also unit digit. This is also unit digit. Directly you can subtract like this. So 5 minus 9 is not possible. Borrow 1, 5. 15 minus 9, 6. And here to 1 we have taken borrow. So balance is 1. 1 minus 4, it's not possible. Again borrow 1. 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Here we have given already 1 borrow. So 6 minus 1 is 5 only. So you will get 5. If you have any doubt, directly you have to subtract 625 minus 49. So 15 minus 9, that equal to 6. Here 5. It becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 576. This is the basic stage. That time only you have to learn like that. Already you know this is a vertical procedure. This directly you can subtract like this. This is the 576. Square root of 576 equal to 24 square is nothing but 576. If you don't know how to find out, then by using the prime factorization method, you can find out the square root value. What is the prime factorization method? How to find out here? 576. Is it the even number or odd number? First you have to check it. Last unit digit is 6. So it is the even number. Even number means with the 2 you have to divide. 2 is divisible in 5 how many times? 2 times. 2 2 is 4. 1 is a balance. 1 7 17. In 17 2 is divisible 8 times. 2 8 is 16. Again 1 is a balance. 1 6 16. Again 2 8 is 16. Again this is the even number. So 2 1 2 is 4 2 is 4 2 is. Already you have learnt in the 6th class or 5th class also. So directly first I am explaining this one. And 2. 7 2 is 2 2 is. Again 2. 3 2 is 6. 1 is a balance. 1 2 12. In 12 2 is divisible 6 times. Again 2 in this. 18 2 is 36. Again 2. 2 9 is. But 9 is an odd number. So you have to check with the odd numbers only. 3 is an odd number. First you have to check with the 3. Whether is it divisible or not, you have to check it in this. 3 is divisible in 9. 3 3 is 9. Now, actually 576 means you already have learnt in the 8th class square roots and cube roots. In that chapter up to 25 numbers you have to by heart the square roots. Square roots and square of the numbers. Then easily you can write here 24. But I am explaining here the procedure. Suppose if you don't know the value here, big number is there, then how to find out the square root value means one of the method. This is one of the method, that is a prime factorization method to find the square root value. Now here already we got the perfect square of the number. So 576 equal, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 3's are there. Right. Next 2 numbers you have to make it as one group. Just draw one line. This bar line. So that means the meaning is nothing but that belongs to one group. From each group you have to take one number. Square root of 576 equal to 1 to second group 1. Again third group 1 and the fourth group 3. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 20. 24. That means square root of 576 equal to how much we got? 24. This is the QP. Here this opposite side value QR value equal to 24. Here you represent here now 24 centimeters. First you have to find out the side, this opposite side of the right angle triangle. Now that equal to 24, we got it. These are all given in centimeter. Here you also will get centimeters only. Now here later what you have to find out, tan P minus tan R, where tan P equal to, just I am writing here, tan P equal to, here P is nothing but the angle. Here reference angle is a P. P is the reference angle. For this reference angle, which is opposite side? QR. That is the opposite side I already mentioned. And this is the adjacent side. Now where tan P equal to tan theta equal to, what's the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side equal to QR by adjacent side equal to QP or PQ. That equal to what's the value? 24 by 7. This is the answer. And next one is tan Q. Tan P over next tan R. So tan R means here R, this is the reference angle now. R, with the R as a reference, now these opposite side and adjacent side will interchange to this vertex or to this angle which is the opposite side. That only you have to represent as opposite side. This is opposite side and this one is adjacent side. But hypotenuse is common, it won't change. So opposite side, here tan R equal to, whenever you are taking R as the reference angle, then tan R equal to PQ by, that means first you write PQ. Formula already we have written one time, no need to write every time. So PQ by, PQ equal to PQ by adjacent side is QR. Where PQ equal to how much? 7. And QR equal to 24. This is the value. Next what you have to find out? Tan P minus tan R. Tan P minus tan R equal to, now substitute the values here. Tan P equal to how much we got? 24 by 7. Minus tan R equal to how much? 7 by 24. Now these two are the fractions. So how to find out the fractions? How to subtract the fractions means you have to find out the LCM. If you add or subtract the fractions also, you have to find out the LCM. LCM means what are the denominators here? 7 and 24. So in both the numbers, any one number is not divisible. Just you have to write down 7 into 24. Later you can multiply. 7 into 24, this entire thing multiplication is nothing but the LCM value. This 7 is divisible in this LCM 24 times. So 24 into 24, 24 square minus, here this 24 is divisible in this, 24 is cancelled 7 times. So 7 into 7, 7 square. So 7 square, that means 24 square equal to 576 minus 7 square equal to 49 divided by 7 into 24. Then you have to subtract once again. 16 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible. Borrow 1. 16 minus 9, that equal to 7. Here 1 already we have given. 6 only. 6 minus 4, 2. Here 5 divided by 7 into 24. That equal to, just you have to write down 527 divided by 7 4 ja 28. To keep in mind, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 2 16. So 527 by 168. This is the answer. So how to find out means, whenever side values are given, two sides only given in a right angle triangle means, third side how can you find out means, by using the Pythagoras theorem you can find out the third side value. First you have to find out the third side and later whatever the trigonometric functions they ask, those trigonometric functions you can find. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want that trigonometric introduction, just watch in the first video. Thank you all.